Hey, what's happening, YouTube? I thought I'd do a quick review on the Insane Labs protein project. I am going to do a quick comparison with Rule 1 protein, the R1, which I've used prior to using Insane Labs protein. I've been using Insane Labs protein now for about a month and a half. I was going to do this after 30 days, but I did have an issue with the original bottle of Insane Labs protein that I got, and I'm going to kind of go through some of that here too. Um, so let's hit the basics. As far as flavor goes, the Insane Labs is a basic chocolate, as you can see. It's a bit hard to see because of the label. The Rule 1 I have here is the chocolate peanut butter. I will say, in all fairness, Rule 1 does have a better taste as far as protein goes. It's different flavors, so there is a difference there. Um, but when we look at what else is inside of the protein, there is a vast difference here. The Insane Labs protein is a lot different than most. As you can see, here's the label from it. It does include their Oxy Gold supplement versus the Rule 1 protein, which is pretty much a standard protein. There's a little bit of changes to it, but nothing too major. As far as consistency goes, I would have to say that the Rule 1 protein mixes up like a standard protein. The consistency is part of where I ran into an issue with the Insane Labs protein. When I would make it, I would get like about an inch to an inch and a half of just sludge at the bottom of the cup. Now, as you can see, I don't have any real like fancy cup, just kind of a standard shaker cup. But I would get about a sludge layer into here. I called Insane Labs. I spoke with one of their guys there. He said, we've never really seen that before. He kind of worked with me. Wound up calling Complete Nutrition, where I got it from. They gave me a refund and gave me a new thing of protein. Now, this jug, I have not had that same issue with. So I don't know if it was something with the batch that I got or what the deal was. But I did have an issue with just pure sludge. I'd mix it just right, and it would happen. Then I would try and mix more water, thinking it was that, but it just wouldn't mix at the bottom. Never have had that issue with Rule 1 before, but as far as it goes with the Insane Labs, it did. Now, as far as everything else goes with it, I did like the Insane Labs Quantum Protein. I don't necessarily think there is anything too groundbreaking with it. It's just a good protein from a company that I trust with making good products. So I do think that in the end, I will be switching to the Insane Labs Quantum Protein from Rule 1. But if I were to get that same issue again with the consistency at the bottom, I would definitely probably be jumping back to Rule 1. So I guess we'll just kind of have to wait and see. Thanks for watching. If you do have a desire to order Insane Labs products, I am one of their ambassadors, and you can order their products from the website with the promo code ZISS20 and save 20%. Thanks. Bye.